In this first clip, you'll see me transferring 5 milliliters of our stock solution, which I've put in a volumetric flask. I'm transferring this over into a empty volumetric flask, which has a total volume of 25 milliliters. We are using 5 milliliters consistently from either our previous dilution, or in this case the stock solution, as it's our first dilution, in order to have consistency between our dilutions. We find our concentration for our dilutions using the dilution equation, which is M1 V1 equals M2 V2. This means that we can find that final concentration using all the other data that we have provided. In this second clip now, I've added the 5 milliliters of the stock solution, and I'm now adding 20 milliliters to top off, 20 milliliters of water to top off the volumetric flask, so the meniscus reaches the top little white line up there. The reason we're doing this, by using the 5 of the previous dilution, or in this case the stock, we're able to mathematically calculate the molarity as we progress through these dilutions. In the final clip, you see that I've filled it up all the way to that line, finishing our dilution.
During this part of the dilution, which is the last set, we add 5 milliliters of the second dilution to the new empty flask using a pipette. The reason we use a pipette is so we could get accurate measurements of how many milliliters we put into the new flask. And we also make sure to read from the meniscus so we can be accurate and consistent. The reason there is a meniscus is because due to the adhesion and surface tension, the liquid curves up the sides of the container, making the bottom the most reliable, which is the meniscus. This is the reason we read from the meniscus. Once the 5 milliliters of the second dilution are added, we add distilled water until it reaches a 25 milliliter mark, and that should be the end of the last dilution. This is the third, the second, the first, and the stock of the dilution.